Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I thought I would make a couple of cups with you, and one of them that we will not be making is the reindeer cup, just because he is so simple. They're all easy, but there's not much that I would change about this cup. So I am going to make the Santa, and I'm going to add to the penguin. So this cup stays as it is, and I am going to add to the penguin. I am going to show you how to add the bow to the penguin, because I was thinking that this little piece right here was a bow tie, but it isn't, guys. It is a layering piece for the bow. So, I mean, you could make it into a bow tie if you wanted to, but I just put a little dimensional dot on there. And you know me, guys, I have got to use some glue, some liquid glue. So that's all I did. And I am going to put this little guy on top of this one to make it a little more dimensional. And then this one is going to go, let me see where I want her. I think right here is where I want her. So again, my center isn't dry yet, but I'm gonna stick her on there anyway. Let's see if I can make her stay. And I'm going to put her right here. Okay, let me let this dry for a second, guys. So there she is with her little bow on the top. I'm gonna think about putting a center on the bow. I'm not sure what to put on there because I didn't prepare anything. These flowers are just way too big. I'm sure that I have a flower somewhere, because I just wanted you to see that we can put a bow on her. Now, another thing that we can put that I did not use were the little, the little feet. So I'm going to go ahead and put the little feet on there. And I'm going to put a little dot of glue. I don't know, no, I think I should put them right here. There's 1 foot. And there are her little feet. Oh, she turned out so cute. So I didn't do that because I was in a hurry when I was making examples. So I didn't put that on there. But this is how she goes. And again, we can put something on her hair. On the rim, I was actually thinking about putting some of this bling on the rim. Like that. I don't know, what do you guys think? Oh, on the top rim maybe. Kind of like the way that one looked better. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Alright guys, it'll stick once it dries. It will stay stuck. Oh, she's cute. She is adorable. I'm gonna find something to put on there. I found this little flower, guys. Maybe I'm not even gonna test it. I'm just gonna put it on there. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back to it once it is dry. Now, when I made the Santa one, it was not right. I kept looking at it and I kept thinking, why does this not look correct? So we're gonna make another Santa, and we're gonna make it out of this red. So I take it and I curve it on the end of my desk. I just curve it, and so there's less resistance when I do put it down. So I'm in a mess. I'm going to start in the back. I'm going to put this down as straight as I can. I'm not gonna go totally to the bottom. I'm gonna leave a little bit there. And then just before anything, I make sure that this part is on there nice and securely. And then once you start putting your, you know, your sleeve around the cup, it pretty much, you know, as long as you're pretty straight, it you know, it's aligned. And I went off kilter just a little bit, and I'm not gonna worry about it though, because that is the back. I'm not gonna worry about that. Okay, and just want to make sure that that is holding nicely before I go on to the next step. Okay, so that's on pretty well. So that's my back. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to add the front of Santa's coat right there. And again, I'm just going to roll this to the end of on the end of my desk and put a little and shape it up a little bit so it'll go around the cup with less resistance. So here's some glue. Put it right here. Just line them up. Okay, so that is the front of Santa's jacket. And then this is his belt. So what I'm gonna do again, I'm just gonna add some curve to it, run it along the edge of my desk to, you know, so it'll curve. And this guy is gonna go like this. Let's see, do I have him on right? Yes. So I'm gonna glue him down like this, guys, okay? And that is his belt. Okay, and the last thing we need to do here is add his buckle. So this is his buckle. Oh my gosh, isn't he cute? Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Okay. Now for the lid, I did cut out the two parts that go on the top. I'm going to go ahead and do the white and red for the lid. Okay, now I am going to glue that to the top this way. And I am going to add glue probably to the lid itself instead of the circle, so I'll know exactly where the glue is at. I'm going to glue him down. That's it, guys. It comes together so quickly. You know, you cut your pieces and you're done. I mean, you're done in no time. So there is the little penguin. There is the Santa, and there is the reindeer. How cute is that? I just love the way they look. And of course, you know, you can always put some embellishments on around the cup lid. And like I did show you guys, with one of these, I may have taken it out. You can put a whole package of hot cocoa in there. As a matter of fact, it's still right here. You can put a whole package. Of course, I've been playing with this one, so it's all bent up. But you can put a whole package of cocoa in these. Just, you know, fold it down a little bit and crush it in. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. You can put some candy in there. You can put, you know, several pieces of candy. You know what you can use, guys? You can actually also put a K-cup in here. the K-cup would look so cute in here. How's that? Oh my gosh, she is cute. She is adorable, of course, in non-traditional colors. You know, like a pink penguin, maybe? A pink Santa suit. Oh, that would look so cute. A blue one. I mean, you know, of course, we can do whatever we want. I just wanted to show you really quickly what every piece in the die is for, so that there was no confusion on, you know, what these pieces are. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.